Back it up right here. Watch your clearance.
We need to accelerate the unloading. Get those forklifts moving. Hydraulic dump trucks unload mountains of fresh sweet corn onto wide receiving conveyors. Workers remove damaged cob. High-speed shelling machines remove the sweet corn kernels from every cob. Sharp precision blades separate the quick flow rate on line 3 is spiking slightly.
Adjusting the temperature down by 2 degrees.
Large industrial separators divide the corn slurry into liquid and solid components. The rich corn liquid flows toward the corn milk production line. The fresh corn liquid flows into giant stainless steel refining tanks. Powerful homogenizers blend the liquid in. The starch-rich corn mixture enters powerful centrifugal extraction machines. High-speed separators. The dried cornstarch passes through precision milling machines. High-speed grinders produce an ultra-fine and silky. Fine white cornstarch flows into fully automated filling machines. Precision systems fill the exact weight.
Straps are secure. Locking systems engaged. This trailer is cleared for departure.
Batch code verified. All systems green.
Seal checked and secure. Clear to proceed.
Pallet of corn milk to the cooler. Move the starch to lane 4. Keep it moving, team.
Look, the fresh corn milk we wanted. Perfect, and grab the starch for the muffins.